Hey guys, Monster50 here with another quick unbox for you guys. This time of another Blu-ray, which is Superbad, which is one of the best fucking films I've ever seen. If you watch my Pineapple Express unboxing video, you'll know that this and Pineapple Express are some of my favourite films ever. So yeah, anyways, that's the front. Meaning to get this on Blu-ray for a while now. Just take off this plastic. It's supposed to be saving for an iPod and Dr. Dre headphones, but oh well. Come on. Plastic. Let's read it back up. I don't know. Okay. So there's some code which I'm not going to show you guys. No one of these weird little stupid fucking warning things. And of course the disc. And there's a bit of artwork on the back. Don't know if you can see that. So yeah, if you're wondering what it looks like in comparison to a DVD disc, I ain't got a case, but yeah, anyway, it's a disc. So I don't know if you can properly see this. Alright, there's the DVD. There's a Blu-ray. Okay. Anyway, so yeah guys, that's a quick unboxing of Superbad on Blu-ray. So that's pretty much it. This is Monster50 signing out.